Have you ever woken up to an alert about a login you didn't recognize, or realized that your primary savings account is only protected by a single, flimsy password? When it comes to Ally, you aren't just managing a bank account, you're managing a digital vault that holds your hard-earned money, and relying on default settings is a risk you shouldn't take. I've spent a lot of time tightening the screws on my own Ally account, and I've found that a few specific adjustments make a massive difference in peace of mind. The first thing you need to do is move beyond standard SMS text alerts for two-step verification. We've seen how easy SIM swapping has become, where hackers hijack your phone number to intercept your security codes. Inside your Ally security settings, I recommend setting up an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. It's a small extra step when logging in, but it ensures that even if someone clones your phone number, they still can't get into your dashboard. Next, you need to audit your security alerts. I used to think the default notifications were enough, but they aren't. I went in and manually toggled on alerts for every single outbound wire transfer, password change, and profile update. By setting these to push notifications on my phone, I'm notified the exact second money moves, rather than finding out hours later via a buried email. I also highly recommend using the card controls feature in the Ally app. If you have an Ally debit card that you rarely use, maybe you only use it for occasional ATM visits, keep it toggled to off. You can flip it back on in 3 seconds when you're standing at the machine. Keeping it off by default completely eliminates the threat of card skimming or unauthorized online purchases while you're sleeping. Lastly, pay attention to your linked external accounts. If you have old bank accounts or fintech apps connected via Plaid that you no longer use, delete those connections. Every linked account is a potential doorway into your Ally balance. Keeping your linked ecosystem lean and updated is one of the most underrated ways to stay secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.